Upgrading your windows is one of the most valuable improvements you can make to your home in Richland Hills. With our hot Texas summers, occasional cold snaps, and seasonal storms, properly installed windows play a major role in energy efficiency, comfort, and long-term durability. However, even high-quality windows can underperform if installation mistakes are made. If you're planning a window replacement project, here are the most common mistakes to avoid, and how to ensure your investment truly pays off. Choosing the wrong type of window for Texas weather. Not all windows are designed for the climate we experience in Richland Hills. One common mistake homeowners make is selecting windows based purely on appearance or price, rather than performance. In North Texas, energy-efficient windows with low E-glass and proper insulation are essential. Without these features, your home can absorb excessive heat during summer, causing your HVAC system to work harder and driving up utility bills. When selecting windows, prioritize energy-efficient glass packages, proper insulation ratings, UV protection, durable frame materials suited for heat and humidity. The right windows will not only improve comfort but also reduce long-term energy costs. Incorrect measurements. Accurate measurements are critical. Even small errors can lead to gaps, air leaks, water intrusion, or structural issues. Windows that are too small may require excessive filler materials, which weakens the seal. Windows that are too large may not fit properly and could damage the surrounding frame during installation. Professional installers carefully measure each opening individually, even in newer homes, because openings can shift slightly over time due to foundation movement, which is not uncommon in Texas soil conditions. Poor sealing and insulation. One of the most frequent installation mistakes is improper sealing. Even a high-end window won't perform correctly if gaps are left around the frame. In Richland Hills, heavy rain and strong winds can expose weak seals quickly. Poor sealing may lead to water leaks, drafts, mold or mildew growth, increased energy bills. Proper insulation, flashing, and high-quality sealants are essential to creating a weather-tight barrier. Skipping steps or rushing the process can cause problems that may not become visible until months later. Ignoring structural issues. Sometimes old window frames or surrounding materials may have hidden damage, such as wood rot or water deterioration. A common mistake is installing new windows without addressing these underlying issues. If damaged framing is not repaired before installation, the new window may not sit securely or seal properly. Over time, this can compromise both performance and structural integrity. A thorough inspection before installation ensures that any necessary repairs are handled first, protecting your investment. De-installation. Without experience. While DIY projects can be rewarding, window installation requires precision, specialized tools, and knowledge of building codes. Improper installation can void manufacturer warranties and lead to costly repairs later. Professional installers understand local building requirements, proper flashing techniques, correct insulation methods, structural considerations specific to Texas homes. Hiring experienced professionals often saves money in the long run by avoiding mistakes that lead to water damage or energy loss. Focusing only on price. Budget matters, but choosing the lowest bid without understanding what's included can lead to disappointment. Some contractors may cut corners on materials, insulation, or labor to offer a lower upfront cost. Instead of focusing solely on price, consider warranty coverage, installation experience, quality of materials, customer reviews, and reputation. A properly installed window should last for decades. Paying slightly more upfront for quality workmanship can prevent expensive issues down the road. Not considering long-term energy savings. Many homeowners underestimate how much properly installed windows impact their monthly energy bills. In a climate like Richland Hills, inefficient windows can significantly increase cooling costs. Modern energy-efficient windows, when installed correctly, help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reduce HVAC strain, improve indoor comfort, increase home resale value. Thinking long-term rather than short-term can make a major difference in overall value. Final thoughts. Window installation is more than simply replacing glass. it's a critical upgrade that affects your home's comfort, protection, and efficiency. Avoiding these common mistakes ensures your new windows perform as intended, especially in the demanding Texas climate. By choosing the right materials, ensuring precise measurements, hiring experienced professionals, and focusing on long-term value, homeowners in Richland Hills can enjoy beautiful, efficient, and durable windows for years to come.